Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. It is Christmas Eve, so when you guys see this, it will be Christmas Day. So we've done all the family stuff, all that good stuff, and just working on a last-minute half-ass knife for a gift for my father-in-law. I shouldn't say half-ass. My skill level's just not quite there on knife making yet. But it's not something, I mean, I enjoy it. Knife making is a lot of fun, but I have a lot to learn on it. I definitely prefer making tools, things like that, but that's what he's getting in his stocking tomorrow morning. Hopefully, hopefully he likes it. Came out all right. The thing I don't like, this handle's a little bit small for, I mean, it fits, I don't know, it's a little small, a little smooth for, I should have made this a little bit different, but you learn every time you make something, you learn a little bit more. So hopefully, I mean, it has a good edge. It's shaven sharp now. But, so anyway, that's what we're up to. I really hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas. It's a good time. It's always a good day to spend with the family, things like that. I'm told I'm not allowed to spend an entire Christmas day in my shop. I just don't understand that way of thinking, but I guess that's just the way it is. So I don't know what I'm trying to say. I've been working on this the last couple of evenings, started making this video last night, and it's fun. I enjoyed doing this. Camera ran out of memory card and battery all at once, and I didn't realize it, and boy was that fun to, I missed a lot of footage in there, a lot of in-between stuff, but, so anyway, I'm just rambling on here. I just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, show off another project that's actually done. I used beeswax for the handle and then buffed it out really well on a cotton polishing wheel. And should work out okay, so we'll see what happens. So, if you guys want to see how this was done, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm not going to do an outro. Like I said, I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Thank you for all the support you guys have given through these videos for the last 3 years. The 3rd of January or the 7th is going to be 3 years on the channel. So I really appreciate you guys. And all this wouldn't have been possible without you. So anyway, enough of my rambling. Here's the video, guys. Have a good night, and I'll see you on the next one.